Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Uday Pandit and you're watching MEP Technical World. In this video we'll learn about basically what is conventional fire alarm system and how to do its wiring. So before we start the session, I would like to request you, if you are not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you'll get notification regarding my upcoming videos. So let's get started. So basically what is conventional fire alarm system? So in previous video we have already discussed about basics of fire alarm system. So in this video we will only focus on conventional fire alarm systems. These are the major components of the conventional fire alarm system. So fire alarm control panel, detectors, then manual call points, then strobes, and then backup power supplies. So inbuilt, we kept inbuilt there is a battery. In case of there is no fire during that backup supply will operate this control panels. Okay, so here this is the layout general terminal of the conventional fire alarm system. So this is the display front side of the panel. Here as you can see, these terminals are for zone. So here 8 zone panel, this is one is 8 zone panel, and here this is for relay, and another one is NAC circuits, notification appliances circuit, and these are for relay for fire, fault and supervisory. So we can use these contacts for the integration and supervision for fault and indication. And this is for power supply. So from here you can give the power, you can connect the power of this fire alarm panel. Here as you can see the how to do the wiring of the conventional fire alarm system. So this is the zone, actually zone 8. So here we have a plus and minus circuits. So from that this terminal, two wires is terminated, from one from plus and one from minus, and it is, so this is heat detector and this is manual call point and this is a smoke detector. At the end we have to use the end of line resistor to terminate the zone. Okay, so in this way it will be wired. Okay, and the empty zone we can loop it through this, sort it through this resistor. And here we have a relays outputs. So relays are for fire relay. In case of any fire it will trigger, it means NO become NC and NC becomes NO. So for in case of fire what we want to activate, then we can integrate through this relay. And fault, in case of fault what we want actually from this, then we can integrate through this relay according to our need. Okay, so here I have taken the wiring. So simple, what we have to do, just take a wire, one wire 1.5 square mm or 1 square mm. So from plus we can take a wire and then it is connected to this terminal. So this is the two wire system. From here it is terminated, so this side and then this side. From the output of this again goes to this empty MCP, so input of the MCP, then from that output again go to input of this detector, and again from this output this loop to this input terminal of this detector. And from this, if it is the last point of this zone 1, then we have to terminate it through the EOL, means end of line of register. Okay, this is a detection circuit actually, and here is a notification appliances circuit. So in this circuit we have to implement the strobe heater. Okay, here we can get 24 volt supply from this fire alarm panel. So in case of fire, what happen, this will give 24 supply volt to these strobes, and this is looped to each other. Again at the end of this we have to use UAL. Okay, now another is integration. So there are relays, fire relays, fault relays, then supervised relays. So in case of fire, actually there is a PA, means amplifier, public announcing system in case emergency. So we can use its contact to operate this amplifier. Suppose there is a fire, then it will activate and it will trigger this amplifier, and it will give the message like evacuate the building, it's an emergency, please evacuate the building, it's in fire, like such type of the message we can play through this amplifier. Okay, so this is the simple. So in this way we can do the conventional fire alarm system wiring. Okay, so hope you guys understand about what is for conventional fire alarm system and how to do its wiring. Okay, so thank you so much, see you again in next video.